Hello everyone. Today I'm continuing the restoration of the Verge Fusee. In this second episode, I'll be inspecting, cleaning, and preparing all the components for full assembly. During this process, I encountered an unexpected surprise, but with careful handling, I managed to resolve it. So make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. Thank you for your interest, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. Let's get started. I'll clean all the components with isopropyl alcohol to remove dirt, rust, and old oil residue. Now I'll immerse the fusee chain in anti-rust liquid and let it soak for 1 hour. Here the components are being cleaned in the ultrasonic machine with Elma 1:9 solution. After washing, I rinse them with distilled water, followed by isopropyl alcohol. Then I use warm air to complete the drying process. Now I'll carefully polish and clean the case, as it's made of nickel and requires delicate handling. And here's the surprise. The cap jewel came loose during the ultrasonic cleaning. I'll reinstall it and take the opportunity to apply some Moebius 9010 oil. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the very end. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the third and final episode of this incredible Verge Fusee restoration journey.